In this video, we will learn how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet and here I'm going to show you the VLOOKUP. So here I have some data, the sales data, and here you can see the 4 key points you have to remember, okay, for using the VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. So here the product name, unit sold, rate per unit, amount, and here I am going to calculate unit sold, rate per unit, amount as per the product name by using the VLOOKUP here. So let's start. So is equal to VLOOKUP, okay. Then the first is a search key. Here you can see the first key point is search key, the value you are searching for, okay. So I searching for a lens product. The product name is a lens. So I select the lens. Then I use here comma. Then second is a range. The range where the search will happen. Okay. So I select here the range. In this range search will happen. Okay. So I use here comma again. Okay. Then third, index. The index, the column number from which you want to return data, okay. So column number here have to mention. So here I am going to calculate unit sold. So unit sold column number here in this table, the 2 column number, first is a product name, second is a unit sold. So I enter here the 2, then I use a comma. Then last is sorted. In is sorted, true, approximate match, or false for exact match. So I enter here the false, okay, and bracket close and just enter. You can see here product name lens, the unit sold 6. You can see here the unit sold is 6. I just highlighted here the unit sold. Same as I show you here, rate per unit, same as is equal to VLOOKUP. Then search key here, the value you are searching, the lens, comma. Then the range where the search will happen, the full range here I select, okay. Then I use here comma. Then index, what is the index? Index, the column number from which you want to return the data. So here I am going to calculate rate per unit. So rate per unit column number in this table 1, 2 and 3, the 3 column number. So enter here 3. Then is sorted true for approximate match and false for exact match. So I enter here the false and bracket close and enter. You can see here the 3 in rate per unit you can match, okay. So same as for amount, use the VLOOKUP. Then search key here, the lens, range, full table, comma, index here the column number, the amount column number in this table 1, 2, 3, 4 column number. So I use here 4 comma, then is sorted false for exact match. Use the bracket close and enter. You can see here 1800 amount is match here. So this is a way you can use the VLOOKUP in Google Sheet. So here you can see these 4 points you have to understand. Hope you understand here clearly. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.